How to use McDonald's points. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can redeem your McDonald's points, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use McDonald's points, you have to simply go ahead and then launch the McDonald's application here. Once you launch the McDonald's app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can simply tap on the rewards and deals section that you can find here. And once you've done that, you should be able to enter your details here. And once you enter your details, you can go ahead and then simply log into your account. And once you log in, you'll be able to use your redeem points. This way you can use McDonald's points. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.